altered accordingly. Now, honorable senators, this is a procedural motion. However, you may elect to debate it, or with your concurrency, allow me to proceed to put the question and invite you to vote. Very well. I will now proceed to put the question. That notwithstanding the resolution of the Senate made on the 15th of February 2024, approve of the Senate calendar pursuant to Standing Order 32-4, the Senate resolves to extend the recess as to resume regular sittings on Tuesday, 17th of September 2024, and that the Senate calendar regular sessions for the third session 2024 be altered accordingly. Will as many as of that opinion say aye? Aye. Will as many as of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. Next order. Now, honorable senators, as communicated at the beginning, we are now proceeding to the pre-hearing meeting, which is a closed session. And therefore, at this juncture, I will request members of the public and the media to withdraw from the chamber, and that live broadcast ceases forthwith. Sergeant at Arms kindly confirm that is complied with, and once it's complied with, we will proceed with the closed session.